Ní chainteoir dhúchais mé. I am not a native speaker. Ach, tá sim agam, but I have an interest. So I've lined up a few games and I've lined up ways we can converse, and we may even create a new poem or a song, because that's something that I love to do, and I would love to see what you connect with out there and bring it back to the group, and we have a little creating a limerick or a song. So Tarla Chéile is come together. I did teach Irish in Canada. Pat Scott said, would you like a job teaching Irish in the course? Canadian born, not a native speaker, however. I did, and I really enjoyed it. So hopefully I'll bring some of the enjoyment with me. I guess sé sin Comhrá ag an trá. It's a new idea as part of Seachtaine na Gaeilge that I came up with, and I'd love to see some local people, some visitors come and enjoy the beach up here in the north of Inishowen. Let me know you're interested. Agus bé sport agus srí a going. We'll have a little bit of fun on the beach playing games, and barefoot is optional. You can get in touch with me, Kathleen, at the Edge School, and I shall tell you more. Slán go fóill.